Guys, I love Chinese food. Now, I mean, I want to start this out with a bang. Down below, what is your Chinese go-to? I want to tell you what mine are. Kung Pao chicken is one. I love a sesame chicken and also love a Mongolian beef. Well, today, my friends, I'm going to do a riff on some Kung Pao chicken. That's right, everybody was Kung Pao eating. Yeah. Those cats were fast as lightning. Though it was a little bit exciting. So this is my version of Kung Pao chicken. And what I'm going to do is I'm using ground chicken. Yes, ground chicken. So I'm going to make almost like a Kung Pao chicken bowl, if you will. And so why not? I want to do some red peppers because I'm feeling bougie. I want some red. I want it to look nice. You know, when the Andersons come by, you know, I just think they like red. Now, I want a little bit of onion. I like a little onion, all right? And now, right now is a really good time for spring onions. So I love using the spring onions, okay? Chop all those jack legs off just like that right there. And these right here just have such powerful onion taste. So good. All right, we got our veggies ready. Veggies, y'all just stay right there. Let's talk about our sauce. Saucy the snowman. Got a little bit of regular soy sauce. Y'all know we saucy mothers, so we're going to use about a cup and a half. And to that, we're going to use some dark soy sauce. Going to add a little bit of rice wine vinegar to that. After the rice wine vinegar, we're going to use some honey. Kung Pao is very, very sweet. Good little bit of honey and balsamic vinegar. A little bit of garlic, ginger. Oh, ginger, highlight of my life. Cornstarch, need cornstarch. This will be our thickener. We need something to thicken this up. So when this hits the griddle top, it's gonna be so thick, gonna be thicker than a Snicker. I probably got too much cornstarch, but I think it'll be all right. I'll give out a good little little whiskey, little mixy. All right, there we go. Got our sauce, got our vegetables. Let's head on over to the griddle now, friends. Let's go, come on. Over here to the side, we're going to, ooh, you hear that? You hear that? A sizzle. Put our veggies right there. Right there onto our griddle. You might be saying, Hussey, where's the oil? Well, here it is, y'all. Got a little salt, little pepper, cracked pepper. We just want to get these nice and softened. Y'all just hang out right there, okay? Y'all hang out right there. Now, I just got a face full of that right there, but that's good. Could be worse. We'll put our rice. We're just going to put it over here onto the corner, and we're just going to let it idle over there. This is jasmine rice. Y'all know Jasmine. She's a good old gal. Put you a little water, get a little steam in action. I'm going to take my large dome right here. And I'm going to set it right there. And it's just going to hang out. I got the temperature on low. Actually, I just turned it off. It was on low. I want to have these two burners and these burners. These are on high. All right, focus your attention right here. I'll put a little bit of oil down. A little bit of oil. Just like that. I got several of these chili arbols. Those are red chilies. Just want to get those into that oil, get that incorporated. They're not really hot unless you just kind of chop them up, but they do offer just a little bit of heat, so we're going to infuse that oil for when we get our chicken down. Just for about 30 seconds to a minute. We're just going to set those to the side. Add as many or as little as you like. We go kind of light. Golly, boy. Whew. That was rough. Got our chicken. Got 2 pounds of ground chicken. Good night. That might be hot. 2 pounds ground chicken. While that chicken's cooking, let's check on this rice. Should be doing all right. Gonna break it up just a little bit. Might have to add a little bit more water to steam it up. It's fine. All right, chicken. Let's see what you got. Whew. My spatula's hot. Yeah, buddy. Dang. I had those spatulas out a little bit too far. They were in. All right. Been about a couple minutes. 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes is what old Hussey likes to say. We'll get this chicken. It's gonna get it kind of cut up. Vegetables. Put those over there and sometimes Kung Pao don't have vegetables. Just depends on where you go. I like the vegetables. Got our peppers over here hanging out. Put those in as well, because we're about to have some action. One thing I really dig about Kung Pao chicken is the peanuts. I like a little bit of crunch. I want to take maybe a quarter cup or so, however many peanuts you like, and put those in there. And I like adding them to the stir fry, so that way it gets that sauce whenever we add it. Showtime. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, it smells good. That cornstarch is already just reacting as soon as it hits that heat. The sugars are caramelizing, thickening up. That's it, y'all. That is it. Tater chips. Easy Kung Pao chicken. Now, let's serve this up. We got our beautiful rice over here. Look how dainty that looks. Anything else for you? Oh yes, Kung Pao. Kung Pao, yes. Son, will you look at that? Dang it, boys and girls. Let's finish this up. Looks all right. But what do we got to do, y'all? A little greenery. A little greeny. Oh, do this right here. Just cause, you know, I might chop them a little bit, Jacob. There. Golly, boy, look at that. That's a pretty thing. Dang it, boys. Good night in the morning. That, my friends, I think I called it a Kung Pao bowl, but I got it on a plate. So, you know, just take this, put it in a bowl, and it's a bowl, okay? It is time to try the Kung Pao. Cheers, y'all. Man. Oh, I didn't get a peanut in that, daggone it. I gotta retry again. Hey, stick around too. Y'all know the bloopers are next. Gotta have that peanut in there. It's got a lot of stuff going on. It's sweet, a little tangy, a little bit of heat there, not much. The crunchiness of the peanuts along with the peppers, a lot of things going on. Y'all, it's fantastic. I actually might like the ground chicken better than just the chicken pieces. I said what I said, okay? Make this, you will not be sorry. I'm gonna have another bite. Those peanuts are good. A crunch.
Yeah, I don't know if I like them, but they're good.
Yeah, you don't like peanuts?
I do like peanuts. It's just what they're thinking about being in a taste like this.
Yeah.
For me.